So in this video, this time, we're going to need to fill in the function machines ourselves. We need to complete the function machines so that, in the first case, y is equal to 9x take away 7. So the input is x, the output is y. Now, the way I want you to think about this is imagine that you are going to substitute a value into this. So if you substitute in the number 2, for example, you would be doing 9 times 2 take away 7. So the x becomes 2. So think about the order in which you apply those operations. So think about BIDMAS here. So you would do the multiplication first and then the subtraction. So that is the order in which the function machines should go. So the first thing is to multiply the number you're putting in by 9. So we need to multiply by 9 first. And then we subtract the 7. And so that would give me the correct output. If you were to put them the other way around, just so you've kind of got an idea of that. If you were to put them the other way around and you did subtract 7 then times by 9, we would get x take away 7 through from the first function machine, and then we would be multiplying by 9. So that would multiply the whole thing by 9. But these two things here are different, because if you expand the bracket out, you get 9x take away 9 lots of 7, so 63. So 9x take away 7, 9x take away 63 are different. So the order here does matter. Right, now for B, we have y equals x plus 9 over 10. So again, if you plugged in a value like 2, think about the order in which you would do things here. Now, if you're thinking about BIDMAS, you're probably thinking, well, I know there's a division in here, okay, and I'm dividing by 10, and surely I do that before I do the addition. However, there is a sneaky little thing about this, in that 2 plus 9 is actually in a bracket. So we don't bother drawing the bracket because we understand that we are dividing all of 2 plus 9 by 10 by the very nature of it being in the numerator of the fraction. So we don't bother drawing it, but there is a bracket there. Remember, BIDMAS starts with brackets. So actually we have to do the addition of the 9 first. We would do 2 plus 9 and then divide by 10. So we would add 9 first and then divide by 10. Now, if you're interested to know what it would look like if you did it in the reverse order, so if we did x divided by 10 first, we would get x over 10. And then, if we added 9, we would get this. Now, you can combine these two terms together as fractions. There's a little bit more fiddly to do, but you can do that. And 9 is 90 over 10. And then you can add the fractions because they have the same denominator. So you would actually get x plus 90 over 10, which clearly isn't the same as x plus 9 over 10. So the order of the operations here matters.